What's going on? So I got this hot air soldering station 858D. I'll just turn it on. Okay, and what's it on? 400. Bring that down. I hit it about 350 before. Why can I not hear the air coming out of the hot soldering iron? I know it's heating up, but okay, I can hear it now. And you turn it on, it starts flashing, and then it heats up, and then yeah. So it's just heating up to 300 now. So up to 300. I'm going to try solder this at 300, and also this is the air adjustment. I guess you just have to play around with it and see what works best. But I'm going to try to do some soldering now on these some of these chips on this PS2 Slim junk board. Will 300 degrees be enough? There's different tips that come with this too. Almost there. I'm going to put it up to 350. Try 325. Probably easier to use flux too. One side come up. Whoop. Oh no, I just pulled up the traces. Bloody pads. Probably should have hit it at 350. Yikes. Well, for some reason I think there actually has a sensor in it, that thing in it knows when you put it down. Okay, 350. Still haven't got that on.